Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're on a quest to capture perfection in every shot, today's your day. I'm revealing the best smartphone tripods of 2025 that will take your mobile photography and video recording to the next level. From automatic setups to ultra-portable flex options, these tripods have you covered. And remember, every product link is in the description, so check them out. First up is the TONEOF 66-inch automatic phone tripod. This isn't just any tripod. It comes with a magnetic rechargeable remote that lets you control your phone hands-free, and its 360-degree rotation, both vertical and horizontal, lets you switch seamlessly between selfie mode, landscape shots, and more. Built for both iPhone and Android, this tripod delivers stability and precision for all your creative needs. Curious about the automatic features and ergonomic design? Click the link in the description to learn more about the TONEOF 66. Next, meet the UBeesize 92-inch cell phone tripod stand. Standing tall at 92 inches, this tripod is a dream for content creators who need that extra overhead or dynamic angle in their shoots. Equipped with a 16.5-inch gooseneck and an adjustable 360-degree ball head, it offers endless flexibility, making it a perfect companion for everything from vlogging to studio shoots. If you're ready for versatility and high reach in one package, hit the link below and explore all that the UBeesize has to offer. For those who value portability and simplicity, the Manfrotto PIXI Mini Tripod Kit with smartphone clamp is a no-brainer. This compact, lightweight tripod is perfect for quick setups and on-the-go shooting. Don't let its size fool you. The renowned stability of Manfrotto is packed into this little powerhouse, making it ideal for indoor vlogging sessions and spontaneous content creation. Want a tripod that combines quality with convenience? Click the link in the description to check out the Manfrotto PIXI Mini. Then there's the Liphisy 64-inch tripod for cell phone and camera. This tripod brings a robust feeling to your shooting experience with height adjustability, a dedicated phone holder, and even a remote control for easy operation, all wrapped in a sturdy design ideal for video recording. Whether you're filming a creative project or capturing your daily adventures, this tripod's multi-angle capability ensures every shot is on point. Ready to upgrade your video recording game? Dive into the details by clicking the link provided below. Last but not least, if you're all about portability and flexibility, consider the TriFlex Mini Tripod for phone. This small, flexible tripod is designed to fit any smartphone and even comes with a GoPro adapter to cover all your shooting scenarios. Its compact design is perfect for travel vloggers or anyone looking for a reliable on-the-go phone mount. For ultimate flexibility and ease of use in any situation, check out the TriFlex Mini Tripod through the link in the description. And there you have it, the ultimate roundup of smartphone tripods that truly capture perfection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and creative ideas. Be sure to click the links in the description for more info on these fantastic tripods and take your content to new heights. Thanks for watching, and here's to capturing perfection in every frame.